Hello, I'm Lou, and I'm one of the residents here at the beautiful Kingman Hall. Today we're having our reopening event. We're welcoming everybody who's occupied the space and others back into the space. We're doing an overview of our creek restoration as well as our mural restoration project. And then we're also vibing watching the Super Bowl because that's happening today. And we're about to have live music on the roof by Raccoon Hospital, which is my band. So yeah, very exciting event. In spring of last year, about a year ago today actually, we found out that our house had mold and asbestos, specifically black mold, which as you know is pretty bad. So because of that, we had to undergo this whole process of leaving the house, having everything remediated for the asbestos, having all of the black mold taken out, and then rebuilding the second and third floors. This meant that all of the murals which had accumulated on those floors got torn out and a lot of them got destroyed. Luckily, some of them were saved, which is why we're able to do a mural restoration. We're reinstalling some of the originals. But yeah, it totally shifted the house dynamic in that all of us had to be separated. We moved into different co-ops. So this moment definitely marks a reunion and just like time for all of us to celebrate being together again, being back in the house that we love, and getting the Kingman culture going again, because it's a very special and unique thing. Being back is like being with my family again, to put it as simply as possible. Kingman has one of the most unified, welcoming, and just kind cultures that I've experienced anywhere. I grew up in rural Indiana, and moving here and just being welcomed by these amazing people is something that I never could have expected. It's people from all walks of life, people doing all sorts of things, and we all come together because this is a place that we love and because the culture here nurtures that. And I'm super excited to have that happening again because it needs to exist, it needs to happen. Kingman is like a core of Berkeley culture, I feel like, and I'm glad that it can continue to be that.